Hi, it's Hannah, and today I will finally be swatching the Holo Taco Pastel Rainbow Collection, which includes 7 new pastel shades, along with showing you how to get these Holo zebra print nails. I'm going to start with the swatches first. I'll be doing 2 coats, then finishing with 1 layer of glossy taco. Also, be sure to leave a comment letting me know which colors are your favorite. So that does it for these swatches. Now here's how to get these sparkly zebra print nails. First, apply 1 layer of base coat. Then apply pink fizz for the base color. Use a brush to apply each pastel holo shade vertically onto the nail. You can also do this gradient with a sponge, but I just like doing it this way since I don't have to do any cleanup. Now you should have this extra pastel rainbow effect. Next, use a brush and 1 coat black to draw 2 lines coming from the same point to start the zebra print. Then add another line in the middle. Now do the same thing but reversed. Fill in the rest of the nail with random lines. You can also look up a photo of zebra print to have as a guideline. That's basically what I did, and it makes it a lot easier. Finally, add 1 layer of glossy taco. And that's it for these nails. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and seeing the swatches. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.